In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a refund from Expedia for a cancelled flight. If your airline cancelled your flight, you're generally entitled to a refund to your original form of payment, and Expedia lets you request that right from your account. First, open a web browser and go to expedia.com. Make sure the address bar shows the official site. At the top right, click Trips. This is where Expedia stores all your itineraries. If you see a prompt to sign in, use the same account you used to book. Next, choose Booked. That view shows your active reservations. If you have many, search by destination or date. If your flight was cancelled, it should still appear in Booked until it's resolved. Select the flight you want a refund for. This opens the trip details page. Look for messaging that the airline cancelled the flight, and for options like request a refund, get a refund, or cancel and refund, click the refund option, then follow the on-screen prompts. Expedia will usually confirm whether the entire itinerary qualifies for a cash refund or a travel credit, depending on the fare rules and airline policy. Because the flight was cancelled by the airline, you should typically qualify for a refund to the original payment method. Before you submit, review the details carefully: passenger names, segments included, and the amount to be refunded. If the trip contains multiple travelers or legs, make sure you're applying the refund to the correct ones. When everything looks right, confirm your request. After submission, you'll get a confirmation on screen and by email. Keep that email for your records. Refund processing times vary. Many are completed within 1 to 2 billing cycles, but it can take longer if the airline must approve it first. You can return to the trips page anytime to check the status within that same booking. Here are a few quick tips to make this smoother. Use the same email address and account you used when booking, so the trip populates automatically. If you used a different account or checked out as a guest, you can still find the trip using your itinerary or confirmation number on the trips page. And if the refund button doesn't appear, it may be because the airline hasn't pushed the cancellation through yet, or special handling is required. In that case, the help section on Expedia can assist. That's all there is to it. Go to expedia.com, open Trips, choose Booked, select your flight, and request your refund. Thanks for watching.